Hello, we connect the steering rack from VW Golf 7. We check the errors. Calmly, among the other errors, we notice an error described as development code 1. In the program, there is a special function to fix this error. You can find the instructions for using this function by clicking the Fixing button. After reading the instructions, we follow each step one by one. It is very important to follow the correct sequence of actions. We check all the conditions required to perform the special function for fixing the error. The steering rack was already updated to version 2051, and it has parameterization, so we skip the steps for updating and loading parameterization from the instructions. First, we perform the connect function to get access to the steering rack system. Then we read DFlash and save the file to the computer. Next, to fix the development code. One error, we need to modify the DFlash file that we read. For this, we use the special function Fix DFlash and select the previously saved file. The next step is to write the corrected file back to the steering rack using the special function Write DFlash. To make the steering rack work and remove the development code 1 error, we need to flash the rack in the Programming tab. After that, we read the errors again. We can see that the old errors are still there. We need to delete them. And then the steering rack should work properly. Now we can see that the error has been fixed and the steering rack is working. It can be installed back on the vehicle.